Hey class, hopefully you can see me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Loom. That's the tool that we're going to use to proctor all the online quizzes and exams for this semester. As we're transitioning everything to online delivery, we'll have to think of a good way to proctor all the online examinations. Okay, so here, if you can search Loom Chrome plugin, that would be great. And then you can see there's a link right here, Loom Google Chrome. Just click on that. Now, over here in this blue box, for me, I have already installed Loom as a plugin to my Chrome browser, so it will say remove from Chrome for me. But if you have never had Loom installed to your Chrome yet, you will see here it says add extension. So you can just click on add extension and it will ask you to give access, I think, to your webcam, to your microphone, and then you can just click on yes and you will be good. Once it's installed, you will see this Loom icon on the upper right corner. Okay, so here with some of my other things, like my Google Drive, things like that. So every time you're ready to record a lecture, you can just open Blackboard in your Google Chrome browser, because that's how you are going to access all the quizzes and online or on the tests online. So once you do that, you can just come here and then start Loom to record your test. Okay, so it's actually pretty convenient. So besides using Loom as a plugin, there's another option. You can definitely install Loom to your computer. This is what I did for my personal computer. I installed it, the software, so I have an icon on my laptop desktop. So every time I'm ready to record a video, I just double click on that and then start the software. Okay, so you can actually come to this help center here, so you can just type in supportloom.com, or I'm sure there are other ways to do it too. You can go to here on the left side, the desktop app, so you can install the Loom desktop app. So it's going to be in your computer. All right. Let me go back here. So once we go back to normal, everything goes back to normal, you come to class. You come to the classroom for like a regular in-person delivery, and you don't want Loom anymore, you can just come here and then just click on remove from Chrome. Then you won't have this Loom installed as a plugin for Chrome. Okay, so it's actually pretty convenient. Now I'm going to show you how to record your tests. Now Loom is great because it can capture both your screen and also the person who's sitting in front of the computer. So it gives me enough information to evaluate that there's no cheating going on in the test. So let's say you are section 02, right? Actually, I have a fake test already made, so it's going to be in coursework, and this is the same for everybody. And on the top, you can see a folder that's called Getting Familiar with Using Loom to Proctor Quizzes and Tests. So just click on that. And this is very similar to when you're actually ready to take a test, right? You go into the folders, you find the test. So let me enter student view. So this is going to be, exactly what you see when you sign in Blackboard. So coursework again, go to this folder. So let's say I'm ready to take the test. Now make sure you start the Loom first. All right, so just click on that extension. It's going to ask you to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with a Google. And make sure you use your CPCC email. So there we go. We have this window popping up. Now you are going to use the first option, which records both the screen and the cam, so that I can see both your screen and you personally. And then you can just start recording when you're ready to take the test. Okay, so start recording. I'll share, and you're going to see this. Click on the word palace over. So there's this window right here that shows you, the person sitting in front of the computer, and then there are some kind of control options. Okay, so we're recording right now. So let's try the test. So click on the test, and then begin. So everything will be recorded, and you can just answer questions. I just made the quiz today to kind of help you practice how to use Loom. So I'm just going to randomly, pick an answer. Okay. And when you take this test, don't worry about whether your answer is correct or not, because this is not included in grading, right? Because it's just really just a practice. Okay, so I'm just gonna type whatever. And then I'm done with the quiz. Okay, but please don't do what I'm doing right now. Make sure you put in your answers that you think are correct, because I will look at your answers. Okay, and then when you're done with the quiz, you can just do save and submit. Okay, we're gonna confirm. Okay, so your test is done. You can click on OK, you're good, and then you can just finish this video. Alright, just click on that green circle. Alright, and then you will see the video right here. So you can replay the video if you really want to see yourself again, or you can just submit. Now, how do you submit the video? Do not send me your entire video because I won't have any storage room for it. So what you can do is come to the right part. It says send your video, and then there's a link. So you can just click on copy link, copy, okay, and your computer already has this link, and then go back to Blackboard. I have a place for you to submit your video link. Okay, so go back to the folder, and then right below the test link, you will see submit your Loom video link here. So you're going to click on that. Okay, and then you're going to do write submission. Do not do browse my computer because there's nothing for you to upload. You just need to type or enter the link. So just click on write submission, and then Control V or do paste. Right click and paste. Oh, I guess you can do it. So Control V, that's the link, okay, for your video. And then you can just submit, and you're good to go. I'm just going to, put that link in my browser and then check the video for when you were doing your test. And if there's nothing, wrong, then you're good.